Hello friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to share my mark cloth reviews of United States. In this video you will get to know about the legitimacy of the website. Friends, first let me tell you that this is not our website. So if you have never ordered anything from this website, then this video will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? And guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I will share the way to get your money back. So let's get started. This is the home page of the website, and over this website you can see that the products available are tops, bottoms, dresses, outwear and so forth. And friends, the products are offered at heavy discounts. Now let's proceed to know information related to payments. So customers can pay through PayPal, Visa and MasterCard. Friends, let's check the shipping information now. So here we can see that the estimated shipping time is 20 to 30 business days and they offer free shipping over $79. Before going further, friends, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel because this will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos for our viewers. Now let's talk about those important points which will help us in checking the authenticity of the website. So guys, MyMa cloth is protected through HTTPS protocol and have SSL certification. Therefore, the information you send or get through the site is safe, which is a good sign. And talking about the registration date of the domain name, so it was created on 13th October 2020. Thus, the website does not have much traffic as it is new. Now, let's take a look at About Us section to know more about this website. So, here we can see that MyMa cloth helps you in expressing yourself as they understand what sort of products their customer demands. Now let's proceed to check the way to contact them. So here we can see that on the official page, company's address, its contact number is not accessible and only an email ID is available in About Us section, which is service@mymacloth.com. Addition to this, friends, the links of social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram and Pinterest land us on some other page, which is a negative sign. Now let's have a look on return refund policies. So here we can see that their return policy lasts for 15 days and refund is initiated within 7 business days in the original mode of payment. Friends, if you have any queries regarding return refund, do mention us in the comment section below. And talking about the MyMa cloth reviews, guys, so we could not find even a single customer review over the internet. And addition to this, we can see that the images of the product matches with many other websites. And apart from this, content over the website seems to be copied because it matches with many other websites. So friends, all these points let us to believe that MyMa cloth is a highly suspicious website. Friends, however, if you have ordered anything from this website, do share your MyMa cloth reviews with us in the comment section below because we read all your comments over every video. So keep commenting, guys. And if you have any money related problem, you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Friends, please like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe our channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you guys. Stay safe, stay informed.